Hi everybody, huge shout out to Opus Pro software. This software is really amazing, video editing, AI based software. Normally, I hired someone in order to edit my long form videos and make some short form videos, also create SEO optimized title and descriptions for that. But this software is doing all of that on total AI based automation. And it also gives you a free minutes processing of a very handful minutes in which you can test the whole software without paying the software. As this is also a free access to the software which you are seeing on the screen. I've uploaded a video of 10 minutes, and it has automatically trimmed it into 6 short fun, great looking shorts, right? As if I play here, right? Loaded, and you can right? Sell unlimited It's in Turkish language, by the way, and it also supports multiple languages, English and other languages also, right? Here you go. And how this has all happened is you go to the homepage, right? Go to YouTube, right? Let's go to my YouTube studio. Let's take one of my video. Like for example, if I take this, yeah, this video is of 8 minutes. Here we go. Let's open the video. Okay, let's copy the link, come to the software, paste the link, it processes it immediately, detects the video, and then simple is that you have options here, um, right? As this is the free version, some of the features are limited, but in the full version, it's a cheap software, by the way, $12-15 kind of thing is the full-fledged with all of the features. But in the free version also, it's where it brings out very helpful videos, right? So AI clip length 0 to 3 minutes. Uh, so there are templates you can select, like gameplay kind of thing. All right, PhD deep diver, like the way the subtitles are going to pair up. This is the template which I've selected. Simply get clips in one click. I have clicked on it. You can also select the language here, as I have selected English. It says project submitted successfully, right? So it's processing here. As you can see, it has processed 20%. It takes around 1-2 minutes, right? Maybe more, like maybe sometime it takes, depends on the length of the video, like 4 or 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes also. And then it divides, like turns the video into many parts. Like for example, after it gets processed, it comes up with something like this here. So it divides, like trims it into multiple shorts with their titles. This video is also in Turkish, but the video I've just uploaded is in English, so it's going to bring out some English outcomes, like the titles, right? Also, so it also has other features of fixing the voice, um, and like B-roll, and like other features. And one of the thing I was also noticing, this software, it's been 2 years. This software is in the market now, and the features which I expect in this software in the coming 5 years. is like in some of the videos, when we say when we do our retakes, like for example, hi guys, how are you doing? How's everything going on? And then we think, no, it's not, like let's start back again. And then we say again, hi guys, hope everything's fine. But this software, in some of the shorts, it just repeats the retakes in a single short. So maybe this is something which we will be expecting this software to come up with a fixation, or a feature like which detects some retakes and like cuts those, and like compiles only those moments which are working. So yeah, so here we go. Normally it's editable here, but it's a pro feature. So this might be the feature which we'll be waiting for Opus Pro to come up with. But other features, if we come up, they have total automation when sharing the like shorts which it has created. It shares to your social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and other platforms are also there. So for me, this is really working great, and I'm definitely gonna upgrade for their paid version. As for the moment, I have their free credits, and I'm working on that. And what I think I can process, like maybe 6 7 videos of 10 minutes, maybe, if I'm right. So this is what I take as these were 60 credits maybe. I have processed 3 of my videos, and now 41 of my credits are left. But definitely, if we come up to upgrade the plan, it's $12 per month. The starter plan pro plan is 11.50, right, per month. This is on some kind of promotion. So uh, well, I want to thank this software. This has saved me a lot. Normally it was a person who was managing this. Recently, he left the job. I was in. He wanted to quit. I was in furious searching of what I'm gonna do now. I kept on searching the internet. This software comes up, and it's a lifesaver. Normally I was searching for a new employee, but this is it. Like I don't think I'll be needing a new employee, an extra employee. Happy with the results. Thank you.